So this is a bridge that was built around about 1920, and it's a concrete structure with plaster over the top, and we have basically had to inject all the plaster surfaces which are sort of trying to peel off and things, and then replaster most of the bridge, and then we've put on some specialist paint systems that stop water getting into it. So our challenges is when we water blasted the bridge, we had to make sure that we didn't get any paint particles into the river, because we don't really know what's in the paint and it could be toxic. So we've had to cover the base of the scaffold with a special bit of material, so it acts as a filter cloth for any water going out of it. And also we've sucked water off the surfaces when we're actually water blasting it. So it's sort of a specialist cleaning process. Health and safety wise, this bridge has about 28,000 cars go across it every day. So we've had to use some very careful systems to allow staff to work on it comfortably and safely, and also not cost the client an absolute fortune in traffic management. So we do shut down the odd lane at night where we can paint and water blast and do things on the road side of the bridge, but pretty much everything else, which is 90% of the work, is done inside that canopy area. We've also covered it with a roof on it because the weather's starting to turn. We're moving into winter, and we're trying to keep the place, nice and warm and dry through the painting process, because the faster we can make the project, the less it costs for the client as well.